Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure competitive pricing with PriceWaiter, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with PriceWaiter, visit their official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, log in to access the dashboard. Start by adding products to your PriceWaiter account. Click on the Add Product button and enter product details, including name, price, and description. Upload high-quality images to make your products more appealing. Select the shipping options and set any applicable taxes for your products. After adding products, enable the PriceWaiter feature on your selected items. This will allow customers to make offers on your products rather than just paying the listed price. To monitor offers, check the Offers section on your dashboard regularly. When a customer makes an offer, you'll receive a notification. Review the offer carefully, considering both your costs and the customer's willingness to pay. You can choose to accept, counter, or decline the offer. If countering, provide a new price based on your evaluation. Communicate clearly with the customer during this process for a positive experience. Once an offer is accepted, guide the customer through the payment process promptly. After payment is completed, prepare and ship the product as soon as possible. Keep an eye on your sales analytics in the dashboard for insights into pricing strategies. Finally, continuously adjust your pricing based on market trends and customer feedback for competitive advantage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.